Hello viewers, welcome to this wonderful edition. I remain your favorite developer, Mr. Divine. Now, in this section, I want to introduce an ebook called Comprehensive Mobile App Development that is fully designed to put you through on how to start your mobile app development journey. If you have been looking for a way to dive into mobile app development journey and maybe probably the cost is too high for you, you cannot cater for it now, this ebook will guide you through the process. The ebook has been fully explained, detailed. You can see different each section has been fully explained in detail. You can get this ebook today at level price. If the promo goes up once this promo ends, so if you are planning on diving into this journey, this is an opportunity for you to get this ebook. The ebook is called Comprehensive Mobile App Development Course, so you can grab your copy right now.